Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up use ScanMyTesla for vehicle diagnostics, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up and use ScanMyTesla for vehicle diagnostics, you'll first need to gather some tools. Begin by ensuring you have a compatible Android device, as ScanMyTesla is designed primarily for this platform. Next, acquire an OBD2 adapter that works with Tesla vehicles, such as the ELM327 or a similar model. Now, download the ScanMyTesla app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. Next, connect your OBD2 adapter to your Tesla's diagnostic port. The diagnostic port is usually located under the dashboard, near the steering column. After connecting the adapter, turn on your Tesla's ignition without starting the vehicle. Launch the ScanMyTesla app and allow it to access necessary permissions, such as Bluetooth and location. With the adapter connected, pair your OBD2 device with your phone via Bluetooth. In the app, you should see an option to connect to the OBD2 adapter. Select the adapter from the list of available devices. Once connected, you will be presented with various diagnostic options. Explore the app interface to familiarize yourself with the available features. You can access live data, historical data, and various vehicle parameters for analysis. Begin by selecting the Live Data section to monitor real-time information about your vehicle's performance. Look for essential metrics like battery voltage, temperature, and motor current for insights. If you're experiencing issues, navigate to the Fault Codes section to check for diagnostic trouble codes. Read any codes displayed and take note for further research or troubleshooting. You can also use the app settings to customize the data displayed on your screen. Consider taking screenshots of critical data for later reference. After completing your diagnostics, safely disconnect the OBD2 adapter from the vehicle. Finally, ensure the app is closed properly once you're finished using it. This completes your setup and usage of ScanMyTesla for comprehensive vehicle diagnostics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.